Welcome back. So in the last video we stopped our server on Azure, our virtual machine, and when we come back to Azure we should be able to see the status of that machine. So we can do that in two ways. It's listed here on the recent list, which will change depending on how recently used resources, or you can look here on virtual machines, and this will list the instances you've got. You can scroll this along and you get further information as well. You should have left the instance in the state stopped deallocated, and that causes the least amount of charging. So just charge for disk space. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and restart that instance, and you do that by just clicking there or find the instance in the other box. And what we could do is go across, click the dots and do start. It asks if we want to start the instance. You select yes and you get the notification in the top there saying it's trying to execute the command. So once that is done, we'll come back and look at connecting to the instance. What we can do now is just go back home. In fact, look at the instance details whilst that's starting, and you can see we've got the network address. That was a typical kind of amount of time. We just saw there about 30 or 40 seconds to restart that instance.